Wondering what makes characters memorable? Let's explore the design logic behind story-driven characters. Hey guys, I'm concept artist Arno Munyanez, also known as Polluxery. We'll start by building strong character foundations through world building, setting, and story context to create story-driven characters. Learn how to use references to make your characters more appealing by experimenting with shape, silhouette, proportion, and design. Lastly, we'll bring your characters into comic pages by rendering different poses, gesture, and action to make your scenes feel more dynamic. Choose the exercises that fit your level, from drawing fundamentals to comic pages, and let's start creating your own memorable character. I'm Polluxery, a character concept artist, and I'll be waiting for you at Colosso.